Stainless steel appliances look really great in your kitchen. However, within just a few days, you're going to find marks all over them. Today, I'm going to be showing you one of the best stainless steel cleaner and polishers I've ever found. It's great for your appliances in the kitchen, as well as working on the dome of your R2D2 build. I have been using 3M stainless steel cleaner and polisher for years now and are absolutely in love with it. Not only is it great for stainless steel appliances, but it's also great for chrome, aluminum, and any metal surfaces. What you're going to be using is the spray as well as a microfiber cloth. This is so you don't get any scratch marks on your stainless steel appliances. So let's go ahead now and show you how it works. Before you get started, you need to give it a good shake. Now, just go ahead and spray 6 to 12 inches away from the surface and get a good slight coating on it. Using your microfiber cloth, you're going to rub with the grain across all the stainless steel until you've buffed everything out. After a short bit of rubbing, your stainless steel is going to look fantastic, and don't forget you can use your microfiber cloth to clean off the electronic display. Looks really good now. You can also use this on any aluminum. Right here you'll see I'm using it to polish my R2D2 dome. Check out the link above for my R2D2 build. You can see how easy it is to use this spray and how effective it is to clean. If you like what you see, go ahead and check the description below where I provided an Amazon link to this 3M product. If you found this video to be useful, please give us a good thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to the Family DIY channel.